This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 29G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, spare tire kit, stove top burner, water heater, LP detector, awning, Colorado detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, slideout, TV, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 29G is 8,700 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.